Top100.com National, which state has announced a ban on social media use for minor under age 13 under Andhra Pradesh, who has become the first Indian female officer to graduate from Indian Military Academy, Sai Jadhav. Central government decided to rename the Prime Minister PMO office as of Seva Tirath. First female brand ambassador of PNB Harmanpreet Kaur. Kavya Brigade to ensure the safety of home in Bihar, which is India's first state to make its voter list completely digital. 100% Rajasthan, which state government has abolished centuries-old pagadi system through a new law. Maharashtra, which site has been declared as Chhattisgarh first Ramsar site. India's 95th Copra Reservoir, where did India's first power museum is established. Patna, which mosques have been unveiled for census 2027. Pragati and Vikas, which is the first state to India present 3-year rolling budget simultaneously. Madhya Pradesh, in which language President Draupadi Murmu released a copy of Constitution of India Santhali Ol Chiki script, who became the youngest Indian woman to ski to the South Pole on 1 जनवरी 26. काम्या कार्तिक्यान, first state in India to constitute 8 state pay commission. Assam, which Indian state hold top spot in investment chart for the financial year. Andhra Pradesh, India's first government hospital, Government Institute of Medical Science, where AI-based clinic has been established. Greater Noida, completely paperless district. Kerala, Kalpeta Bayanad district. Asaban mobile unit for Gujarat, early detection of cancer. Gujarat, India's first sovereign AI park. Tamil Nadu, India's first immersive IVF knowledge center. Bharat Draft Knowledge Center, Andheri East, Mumbai. India's first government menopause clinic. Maharashtra, first elderly budget. Kerala, Maharashtra first female deputy CM Sunita Pawar. India's army first female Rudra helicopter captain Hansja Sharma. Under which article Supreme Court decided menstrual health of fundamental right is Tanya C. Nathan, first visually impaired female judge of Kerala. India's first musical road, Mumbai. India's first state to adopt a comprehensive urban policy, Kerala. India's global ranking in terms of metro network, third. First emergency landing facility in the northeast been inaugurated. Assam, NH-37. India's first to implement yoga policy, Uttarakhand. First Indian to reach International Space Station, Shubhantu Shukla. India's first female voter, Viva Kumari Motihari, Bihar, who has become the world's first visually impaired female mountaineer to conquer Mount Everest. Chonjin Angmo, Himachal Pradesh, who has become the world's longest self-made female billionaire. Leonardo Lopez Lara, Brazil. Social media for children under age of 16, Australia, first to receive recognition from UNESCO to its national cuisine on the list intangible, Italy, first to grant legal recognition to stingless bees found in Amazon rainforest, Peru, first to discontinue its traditional postal service, Denmark. Buland Shah, Nepal, world largest real-time payment system, India's UPI. World largest rice producing nation, India, first country to commercially produce biovitamin producing nation, India. World largest green ammonia project be established, Andhra Pradesh, Kakinada. Python, from which country has set up a Guinness World Record as the longest wild snake, Indonesia. Become world first retail company to achieve market capitalization $1 trillion, Walmart. First national biobank dedicated to rare disease, especially lysosomal storage disorder. India, where will be the world first humanity first AI city? Bangalore, first European country to ban social media span. Laboratory at the deepest underwater location in the world. India, world first digital tribal university. Adi Sanskriti, New Delhi. G7 has become first formally recognized Palestine, France. World first cashless nation, Sweden. First wheelchair user astronaut, Michaela Benthos, Germany. India's largest green hydrogen hub, Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. India's first bioprocessing plant, One Biobin, launched, Telangana. India's first AI-driven skill survey, Saksham, Maharashtra. India's first AI-powered university, been launched, Meerut. World world first private space station currently being built, company Vast Space Haven 1. Aditya Pandey, who became India's youngest analog astronaut, hailed from which state? Gujarat, Kutch. Airlifted a nuclear micro-reactor for the first time, USA. India's first AI supercomputer, Airawat. India's first port to deploy anti-drone system, BH Chitambram Port. First major satellite manufacturing plant been launched, Gujarat. India's first electric-powered rocket, Vayuputra. First Semiconductor Innovation Museum, Hyderabad. First Aquatech Park, Assam. First Quantum Computing Village, Amravati. First drone city and space city, Andhra Pradesh. Convert thorium fuel into uranium fuel, China. First Indian state to sign letter of intent with Starlink, Maharashtra. India's first indigenous antibiotic, Nephithromycin. First AI virtual minister, Albania. Finke River, Australia. Recognized world oldest continuously flowing river. In which state? New dragonfly species named Lyrothemis carolinensis windis, Kerala. Tidal flooding, a state-specific disaster, Kerala. India's first cheetah safari, Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh. First butterfly sanctuary, Kerala, Arlam Wildlife Sanctuary. First solar-powered border village, Masali, Gujarat. India's first fully solar-powered zoo, Bannerghatta Biological Park. World first live underwater interview, Palau. India's first Hornbill Conservation Center, Tamil Nadu, Annamalai Tiger Reserve. Bacillus subtilis as its state microorganism, Kerala. Time magazine list of 100 most influential people of 25 under category of climate leader, Sonam Wangchuk. First Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy title, Jharkhand. Project Mahadev, launched to scout for under 13 football, Maharashtra. Most expensive player in Women Premier League, Deepti Sharma. By defeating which country India win first squash World Cup, Hong Kong. Who become the most expensive foreign player in the history of IPL, Cameron Green. Highest wicket taker Women's T20 International, Deepti Sharma. Vijay Hazare Trophy for first time, Vidarbha. First player to win 400 Grand Slam single matches, Novak Djokovic. First player to score century in the Women's Premier, Nat Skyver Brunt. World first bowler to take 700 wicket in history, T20, Rashid Khan, Afghanistan. Commonwealth game held in 2030, Ahmedabad. India's first national curling champion, R.C. Gupta. New title sponsor of the Indian cricket team, Apollo Tyre. Who won the Chess Sport World Cup, Magnus Carlsen. India's first wicket-keeper batsman to score a half-century T20 World Cup, Ishan Kishan. Who became the world's youngest FIDE-rated chess player at the age of 3? सर्वज्ञ सिंह कुशवाहा. बिहार लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली देखेंगे 2 फेज में हुआ था. फर्स्ट फेज 6 नवंबर को, सेकेंड फेज 11 नवंबर को. इलेक्शन रिजल्ट 14 नवंबर को. फर्स्ट फेज में 121 सीट पे वोट हुआ था. सेकेंड फेज में 122 में. टोटल सीट 243. SC के रिजर्व 38, ST के 2. टोटल रजिस्टर्ड वोटर्स 745262858। नंबर ऑफ वोटर मेल वोटर 3.94 करोड़, फीमेल वोटर 3.51 करोड़, फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 14 लाख, हायर वोटर टर्न आउट 66.91%, मेल वोटर 62.8%, फीमेल वोटर 71.6%, हाईएस्ट वोटर टर्न आउट recorded in Katihar at 79.1%. RJD candidate cancellation. Shweta Suman from Mohania, VP candidates Shashi Bhushan Singh from Sugauli and Mahagathbandhan could not contest election in 2 seats. Candidate who won highest margin of vote Kaldara Prasad Mandal, JDU. Candidate who won narrowest Radha Charan Shah, JDU, 27 votes only. बीजेपी 89 सीट, JDU 85, RJD 25, LJP 19, INC 6। National festival organized in Attukal Pongal, Kerala, Chapur Cult Festival, Mizoram, Matua Dharma, West Bengal, Sarhul, Jharkhand, ट्राइब आर्ट फेयर, न्यू दिल्ली, सरस आजीविका मेला, गुरुगांव, दिव्य कला मेला, देहरादून, लोसार, हिमाचल प्रदेश, राजकीय झारखंड, नॉर्थ ईस्ट फेस्टिवल, नागालैंड, बागुरुम्बा डांस, असम, मकर बिकाऊ, केरला, सूरजकुंड, फरीदाबाद, हरियाणा, सनराइज, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, थर्ड इंडियन लाइट हाउस फेस्टिवल, विशाखापट्टनम, दिव्या कला मेला, इंडिया गेट, चराईचुंग फेस्टिवल, मजोली आइलैंड, असम, इंटरनेशनल गीता महोत्सव, कुरुक्षेत्र, थर्ड इंडियन मिलिट्री हेरिटेज फेस्टिवल, न्यू दिल्ली, जस्कर फेस्टिवल, लद्दाख, गदाड़ी बाबियन मेला, जालंधर, भील और गवाड़ी राई फेस्टिवल, राजस्थान, निंगोल चकोबा, मणिपुर, 27 सरस आजीविका फेयर, दिल्ली, उद्धव उत्सव, ग्वालियर, इंडियन ऑर्गेनिक्स फेयर, न्यू दिल्ली, आदि तिरुवथिरई फेस्टिवल, तमिलनाडु, बोनालू, तेलंगाना, लेवेंडर, जम्मू कश्मीर, खीर भवानी, जम्मू कश्मीर, अब्बू-बाची, गुवाहाटी, सिरुलिली, मणिपुर, त्रिशूरपुरम, केरला, पुष्कर कुंभ, उत्तराखंड, श्रावस्ती पुष्करालू, तेलंगाना, नेशनल ट्राइबल यूथ फेस्टिवल, मिजोरम, रमन फेस्टिवल, उत्तराखंड, चरोवा फेस्टिवल, मणिपुर, एप्रिकॉट ब्लूसम, लद्दाख, जतरा फेस्टिवल, त्रिपुरा, खोंगजोम फेस्टिवल, मणिपुर, माधवपुर घेर फेयर, गुजरात। India's prominent officials: Cabinet Secretary T.V. Swaminathan, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, Home Secretary Govind Mohan, Defense Rajesh K. Singh, Revenue Arvind Srivastav, Principal Secretary of PM Pramod Kumar Mishra, Principal Secretary 2 Shaktikant Das, Private Secretary PM Nidhi Tiwari, CAG CAG K. Sanjay Murthy, 15 C. Controller General of Account of India TCA Kalyani, 29 Chief Statistician of India GP Samantha, Attorney General R. Venkata Ramani, 16 Solicitor General Tushar Mehta reappointed, Chief Justice of Supreme Justice Suryakant, 53 B.R. Gabai, 52nd Chairperson Lokpal of India Ajay Manikarao Khanbilkar, CDS Anil Chauhan, Naval Staff Dinesh Kumar Tripathi, 26वां चीफ एयर स्टाफ अमरप्रीत सिंह, 28 चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ उपेंद्र द्विवेदी, 30 चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ज्ञानेश, 26 विवेक जोशी और सुखबीर सिंह संधू, चीफ इंफॉर्मेशन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया राजकुमार गोयल, 13 चेयरपर्सन ऑफ NHRC बी रामासुब्रमण्यम, 9th नेशनल मेडिकल कमीशन अभिजात चंद्रकांता सेठ, CBC प्रवीण कुमार श्रीवास्तव, 19 कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया CCI रवनीत कौर, नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन विजय किशोर राहतकर, 9th प्रेसिडेंट, UPSC के चेयरमैन अजय कुमार, CBSE राहुल सिंह, डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ NTA अभिषेक सिंह, SSC S गोपाल कृष्ण, सेबी तुहिन कांत, 16 फाइनेंस कमीशन अरविंद पनगड़िया, 23 लॉ कमीशन दिनेश महेश्वरी, इसरो चेयरमैन DV नारायण, 11th Secretary of the Department of Space, Chairman of the Space Commission, DRDO Sameer B. Kamat, reappointed, Director General of ICMR Rajiv Bhal, Principal Scientific Advisor Ajay Kumar Sud, Chief Economic Advisor B. Anant Nageswaram, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, NSG Director General B. Srinivasam, NIA Director General Rakesh Agarwal, CBI Chief Parveen Sood, IB Chief Tapan Kumar Dekha, ED Director Rahul Nabin, Director General of CISF Parveen Ranjan, CRPF Gyanendra Pratap Singh, BSF Parveen Kumar, ITBP Satrujit Kapoor, SSB Sanjay Singhal, Raw Chief Pragya Jain, गवर्नर RBI के संजय मल्होत्रा, 26 डिप्टी गवर्नर स्वामीनाथ जनकिरमन, TR शंकर, M राजेश्वर राव, पूनम गुप्ता, चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर ऑफ RBI सुधा बालकृष्णन, चेयरमैन ऑफ SBI चल्ला श्रीनिवासलु शेट्टी, CEO ऑफ चेयरमैन ऑफ रेलवे बोर्ड सतीश कुमार, फर्स्ट दलित चेयरमैन, CEO यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया भुवनेश कुमार, संसद TBC अमित काबरे, नीति आयोग निधि छिब्बर, एडिशनल चार्ज, वाइस चेयरमैन ऑफ नीति आयोग डॉक्टर सुमन के बेरी, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया द्रौपदी मुर्मू उड़ीसा, सेकेंड वुमेन एंड फर्स्ट ट्राइबल प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ CP राधाकृष्णन, स्पीकर ओम बिरला, ऑपोजिशन राहुल गांधी, लीडर ऑफ हाउस ऑफ राज्यसभा JP नड्डा, राज्यसभा चेयरमैन CP राधाकृष्णन, सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ राज्यसभा प्रमोद चंद्र मोदी, डिप्टी चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा हरिवंश नारायण सिंह, सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ लोकसभा उत्पल कुमार सिंह, पब्लिक अकाउंट KC वेणुगोपाल, एस्टीमेट कमेटी चेयरमैन संजय जायसवाल, कमेटी ऑन पब्लिक अंडरटेकिंग चेयरमैन बैजंत पांडा।